Feeling sluggish? Battling weight issues? It's time to detox. Accumulated toxins compromise your body, inviting diseases. Listen to your body's signals. Don't ignore them. Digestive woes and fatigue are just the beginning. Welcome to Allure Balance, where health and business unite. We specialize in detox and weight loss, fueling you with vitality, confidence, and relief from issues like inflammation and chronic conditions. Our detox plan at Allure Balance stands out. No hunger pangs here. Relish real food. Bid adieu to toxins and welcome benefits like enhanced energy and immunity. Your journey to better health includes dedicated one-on-one support. In just 14 days, you'll enjoy energized vitality, healthy transformations, blood purification, weight loss promotion, anti-aging perks, stronger, luscious hair, enhanced immunity, sharpened cognitive abilities. Ready to take the plunge? Embark on your transformative journey today at allurebalance.com. Explore our ebooks, packages, and personalized coaching. Allure Balance, where health meets success.